Hello Cobras, this video is going to show you how to access and search using the Newspaper Source Plus database. So to access this database, make sure you are going to the library.coker.edu website, and once you are there, you'll either go to Research Help, Databases, or you will scroll down and click Databases or Search here down here. All of those links will take you to the same place. Once you are here, go to the N option, scroll down, and you will see Newspaper Source Plus. Just click that there, and it will take you to the database. You'll see the database here. So this is where you're going to put all of your search terms in, your keywords for whatever your research topic is. Of course, you can adjust your field if you're wanting to get a little specific with your searches. If it's more of a generalized search, I always just kind of recommend either keeping it as select a field or alt text. But they kind of do the same thing. Then you have your Boolean operators if you're wanting to expand or narrow your searches. You have your and or not. And is to group terms together. Or is kind of to expand your searches. So you're doing either or. So either or term. Or not is actually to a limit. So you are trying to limit your search by canceling out specific terms. All right. And so we're just going to do a very basic search right now for climate change. And so when you search that, this is going to be the result page that you find here. So you're going to get all of your results. And again, as you can see, all of these are newspaper sources. That's all you're going to get in this database. So you're not going to find peer-reviewed articles. You're not going to find journal articles. You're not going to find magazine articles, anything of that nature. All you're going to do is find newspaper sources, newspaper articles. So with that being said, over here on the refine results section, you do not need to refine to peer-reviewed because you're not going to get any peer-reviewed information here. So you can ignore that. I would recommend maybe limiting it to full text, so that way you are guaranteed to get full text access to the articles you're looking for. Publication dates, especially if you're trying to keep your information a little more current. Usually rule of thumb is about 5 to 10 years that you want to do that if you're looking for currency. So you can just kind of adjust that, or you can just change the dates in the boxes. And then you can also refine your results by newspaper types. So you can get international, you can do newswires, U.S. newspapers, radio and TV transcripts. Sometimes you can get more with this one. You don't get more options, but depending on your topic, sometimes that can kind of change. You can also get very specific in terms of your subject, kind of what you're wanting to look for. It'll give you the count of articles within that refined subject topic area. And what that'll do is that'll just add that subject to your search, and it will change your search results. So it'll just kind of narrow it by what you're looking at and picking there. And then you can also do it by language. So if you want to kind of keep a lot of these in terms of languages that you're comfortable with reading or comprehending, you can do that. To access the articles, you will click here. And what that'll do is that'll bring you to the record page. This gives you all the different information, so authors, source types, document types, other subject terms that you could maybe use to help narrow and refine your search a little more. This is also where you can access the PDF full text, or sometimes HTML full text, or a link to another journal, or in this case to another database, which may house the. So we're having issues, but that will give it to you. We're having issues right now with this, but I can guarantee you, if it says full text, they'll give it to you. So after doing that, come over here. You also have your tools. So you can either use Google Drive, or you can print your article. You can also email this information to yourself. This is where you can actually email the PDF to yourself, and also citation information. Just drop that down and pick whatever format you want. And then you just send all that information to yourself. This will also send you the permalink, which will bring you directly back to this page. It's very important that you get the permalinks and not use these. These URLs up here will be trash after this session, and this will not take you back to this page. So you will lose any articles you found if you only use these. You need to make sure you are using the permanent links. And again, you can get the permanent links by either emailing information to yourself, or you can get the permalink from here. There's always an option to get a permanent link in every database we have, so just always kind of look out for that. You can also just get citation information if that's all you need to get. Just do that. Find the format that you want, and then there's your citation. If the citation does include a link, it is the permalink. I just wanted to go ahead and make that clear. So just in case you're ever worried about that. So as long as you at least get the citation information or you email the stuff to yourself, you will always get the permalink in some form. But if you only need the link, that's where you need to go there. So that's it. That is that's kind of the quick and dirty way of searching Newspaper Source Plus to find what you need and what you want. Again, just kind of show you as an example. Yeah, we're having issues retrieving right now. But any other time, you should have full access to this if it says you do. If you don't, just please contact us. We can figure it out. It's probably just a networking thing or whatever. But we can definitely get the article for you. But yeah, if you ever do have any questions or comments or concerns while searching for information using Newspaper Source Plus, please contact us. The best way to contact your librarians is using the email reference@coker.edu. You can find that on our website under our, I think it's About Us section, I believe. Let's check. Let's see how well I know our website. Yes, About Us. The Contact Us, it'll have our email information. But that's going to do it. So thank you for viewing the video, and I hope you have a great day.